Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, answering questions submitted by a student. Questions asking us to use something called the pieces of right triangle similarity theorem. And I've never known it to be called that. I've always called this the altitude on hypotenuse theorem. But no matter which way, what you decide to call it, it boils down to the same thing. I'm going to highlight the triangle of interest here using a color, EAD. So I'll use red here. Color really helps a lot, I think, when you're doing geometry. And I happen to know from the theorem, I happen to know that this other triangle, DAC, so DAC is the answer here. I happen to know that that's similar. So I'm going to prove that to you. But first I want to highlight this in another color. Okay. So let's say the measure of this angle is E. Just to use something simple. You can see because this red triangle is the right triangle, that's 90 degrees. So this angle up here has to be 90 minus E. I think you would agree with that, right? So 90 minus E plus E is 90. 90 plus 90 is 180. Now let's take a look at the green triangle. See this angle up in here? These two angles, they make up a right angle here. So this has to be E. Because 90 minus E plus E is 90. And that would be this 90 degree angle up here. See, so that has to be E also. And this green triangle is also a right triangle, as you can see. And so this angle is also 90 minus E. And so we've proved that these two triangles, the red one and the green one, are similar because their angles are the same. And that's all there is to it. So remember, similar triangles, the angles are congruent and the sides are proportional. We can't do anything about the sides because we're not given any lengths here. So it's really hard to prove this using the sides, but it's fairly straightforward to prove it using angles. Okay, so I hope that this little mini proof convinces you that DAC is similar. The green tree is similar. The green triangle is similar to the red triangle. Okay, so that's all there is to it. And I highly recommend that you use colored pencils. If you don't have any colored pencils at home, you should just get some and get in the habit of using them. They really do help. Okay, that's it for this question. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.